Okay, welcome back to another episode of, or an adventure, Cooking with Mr. Dan, huh? So today we're going to be making us, I'm going to give you guys another variation of a burger. This is called a pork burger with Feta mayonnaise dressing on it. And it's got a surprise for you guys, I'm going to tell you. But it does taste really good. I got this from a blog that I follow, Megan at Culinary Hill, I think it is. Thank you for the idea, Megan. But anyway, without further ado, let's get to it. It's quick, nice, easy, tasty. Okay, here's my the grill. I mean my cast iron skillet. The reason it looks like it just got cooked in because I toasted my buns. I'm using brioche buns. I think I'm gonna start trying to make these myself. These are $3.19 for 4 of them. Anyway, here I have a scale because I'm gonna weigh out my pork, which is over here. I got 1 pound of pork. The recipe is going to give you guys 2 pounds of pork, and that usually gets away with about 6, maybe 7 burgers. I'm only using 1 pound because it's only me and Penny. So that be that. Okay, here's some spices. Paprika, the red one. Coriander, that one. Garlic, that one. That's going to go in the meat. Back here is 4 ounces of feta cheese. As you can see, I'm going to break it up even more a little bit, but it crumbles pretty easy. There's a 1/4 cup of mayo. Here I have 3 tablespoons of mustard with some horseradish at the bottom. I didn't have any, what do you call it, some other kind of mustard, whole grain mustard. I didn't have that. So I'm using that as my own concoction. Here, the ingredient you guys are waiting for. Aunt Nellie's original beets. We're going to be putting some pickled beets in this sandwich. That's what gives it the flavor. So without further ado, let's get to it. Pretty easy, pretty quick. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just dump all my ingredients, my spices ingredients, right up onto the meat. And then we're going to get the best mixing tool in the house, my hand. Now this is also my, the pork that we make ourselves. And so it's already got a little spice to it, a little heat. Not much, whoops. But anyway, I should have used a better bowl, different bowl, not a better one. So we're just going to blend this up real quick. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh out 4-ounce patties, okay? So this will be quick and easy. You guys are going to love it. Okay, so roughly these are a little over 4 ounces. I had a little more than a pound, I guess, in that bag. But at any rate, we're going to take this here. And we're going to form it into little patties. Just roll it together. Don't go crazy. Don't go cray, as Penny would say. But we're going to give this a little smasheroo when we get it on the grill. Well, first I want to put a little bit of extra grease in there. I got some bacon grease over here. I made some bacon yesterday. And I saved some of the grease here on the counter. So what we're going to do, put a little right there, and that's that. Okay, just so you can see my burgers, you see, forming it by hand, and then I'm going to get a flat spatula and we're going to push it down a little after it cooks a bit, huh? So here you go. What is that? That's right, it's sizzle. You know what sizzle does. Okay. Now while that's cooking, we're going to let this cook a little bit, and then I'm going to push down on the patty just a little. I'm going to take the spatula and push like this, make it like almost like a smash burger. I'm going to wait a little bit just to show. I wanted to show you. So what we're going to do here now is I'm going to get my feta and everything, and we'll mix it up in a bowl. Okay, we've been cooking here for a little bit, like almost 2 minutes. Now I'm pushing down on the patty. Make it a little bigger, huh? I'm not trying to make a true smash burger out of this. You'll see. I'm trying to make sure it fits the bun. Okay, as you can see, I crumbled up my feta. There's nothing better but feta. Okay, so now let me rinse my fingers a little bit. Excuse me, this sauce here is pretty good. It is unique. I never would have thought of this. But anyway, just take out mayonnaise. I got a quarter cup. That's me. I like mayonnaise. I think this one only called for 3 tablespoons. But I just wanted to get a little more fun in there. You know me. I like having fun when I eat. Okay. So here we got the mustard. Like I said, this is supposed to be whole grain mustard, or whatever you call it, whatever it is, I forget. But what I got here, this is going to really knock your socks off. That's what I decided to do. To get a nice little tang, nice little flavor, just mix this up. Oh yeah. Wait, you guys ain't seen nothing yet. Wait till you put them beets on there. All right. So we'll finish mixing this and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to turn this. I just flipped it just to see what it looked like. And that's what we got. And because it's pork, I'll be getting out my temperature tester. Well, let me show you what the sauce is all about. If you look closely, it almost looks like an egg salad with the texture in there because the feta cheese is crumbly. You got the mustard in there. You got the mayonnaise in there. Woo! I'm telling you, it tastes good, especially when you put that horseradish in there. Okay, let's slide you back over here. And we'll be right back as soon as this here burger's done. Okay, guys, our burger's about there. So let me, without further ado, let's put a little of this here sauce right on the bottom bun. I like putting it on the bottom. You can do this any way you want. There's no correct way. There's no incorrect way. It's whichever way your little heart desires. Okay. Just put a fair amount on there. Then as soon as that burger's done, we're going to take it off and we're going to flop it here. Then we got the beets over here. We're going to put a couple beets on there. And that'll be your sandwich. Okay, guys. Our burger's done. So let me take it off of here. And we're sliding you over here. We're going to put that right on top of here. Ooh, see what I mean about flattening it out? Fits that bun perfect. I've done these a time or two. This is delicious. Now we're going to get a fork. Because we have to do some what they call harpooning. Harpooning, yes sir. We're going to harpoon this here beet out of the jar, right? We got one, probably two little beets per sandwich. And then if you want, you can put more of that top dressing on there, but I think for right now, that's going to be good for me. And we're going to put the top right on there, huh? And that, my friends, is your sandwich. Now let me just, hold on. So we'll give you a little cross section. Can you see the dressing on the bottom? That's down here. You got your meat, you got your beets, and your bread. All right, we'll see at taste test table. Okay, guys, I hope y'all can see me because Miss Camera Girl's out taking a hike. She do that more often. When I say go take a hike, she just looks at me like I'm dumb. Okay, anyway, you can see this. It looks delicious. I can't wait. I'm excited again. All right. So, I know you guys never had nothing like this. But, you're going to love it. All right. Here you go. First bite. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. I see you get bored eating hamburgers. Try this. It's delicious. But cutting it in half makes it a little bit sloppier to eat. Mm. 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 Yep, the ingredients that I made on the list are not quite what I got here, but I will add The only difference I did really was add the horseradish, but man, is it delicious. Okay, so if you liked the quick video, a nice little change instead of regular hamburger, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and your neighbors, subscribe if you haven't yet, and when you do, a little notification bell will pop up. That'll let you know each and every time we come up with another video. There's an arrow down right below the video box. You hit that. The drop down box will come down. It'll give you a link to Cooking with Dan Facebook page. Also a link to my daughter's artwork site page. And it'll give you the complete list of ingredients for this delicious, delicious alternative to a hamburger. And you can thank Megan Culinary Hill. So, stay home, my friends, and when you are, come back. We will give you another delicious recipe just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying, stay safe, stay away from COVID. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. We are out for now.